Guys, gusto ko i-content si ma'am. Nakalimutan ko sa helmet. So, she bring in si helmet as well as me, no? So, ito siya. So, I just wanted to cover her up. Then mamaya, para makapalo siya, makita niyo yung sarili niya sa ano.
Okay, thank
So,
you.
yan. Shout out sa asawa mo.
Wala pang asawa.
Oh, single guys. My followers. She's
Alora.
single.
I'm a police colonel from Canile area.
Ma'am, yan, police colonel.
Bitong, opo.
Oh, are you still active
Active,
status?
opo,
Oh, yes,
status.
ma'am. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah. She's a colonel by rank.
PNP and
Yan, PNP.
91st IBM police. I'm colonel of 91st Sinagtala Battalion with Philippine Eagle.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Ma'am, actually, I'm a retired army.
From what country?
Philippines also.
Okay. I'm
You think I'm a foreigner? No, I'm a Filipino.
I'm always active for 91st Kalabuanan, 91st Colonel Bitong.
Pernibiton.
Colonel,
91st is under my second ID.
91st Infantry Kalabuanan.
Under the second ID.
Okay.
I had just retired, ma'am, 2020.
Okay.
So, I was then the Assistant Division Commander of second ID. Jungle Fighter Division.
I'm a commanding officer of 91st Sinagdala Battalion under Seat S2 Colonel Recto. Nice
Yes,
meeting you again.
yes. If you happen to see Resto,
Okay.
tell him the former EDC of 2ID,
Yeah, of 2nd Division
second division,
of Philippine
was
Army.
in Aurora.
Yeah.
Guys, happy to meet the police colonel who was still in active status, but very, very accommodating, very courteous. I thought she's a civilian because she brought in my helmet, which I forgot in the table.
Okay.
Well, I thought she was a CBIS, but she's a colonel. That's how
Status of-
humble now is your service men and women, guys.
Accident for the Philippine
Yeah.
PNP and the Philippine Army.